Just put in new batteries and your Pioneer Xumo TV remote still isn't working? Don't worry, it's a common issue. The problem usually isn't the power, but the signal. First, ensure nothing is blocking the remote signal to the TV. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and TV. Then, the most common fix is to repair the remote with your TV. We'll cover exactly how to do that. Also, we'll show you how to test if the remote is actually sending a signal using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera. You should see a purple flash. By the end of this section, you'll likely have your remote working again. To repair your remote, navigate to your TV's settings using the manual buttons on the TV itself. Look for Remote Setup or Pair Device in the menu and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, test the remote's IR signal. Point the remote at your smartphone camera and press any button. If you see a purple flash on your phone screen, the remote is sending a signal. No flash? The IR emitter might be faulty. If repairing doesn't work and there's no IR signal, consider contacting Pioneer support or trying a universal remote as a replacement. Also, make sure to check the battery contacts for corrosion.